Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Empirical literature on mobility does bear out that parental perceptions about the importance of languages and English in particular are not misplaced. Full stop. New paragraph. We need to use regional local languages in the early years to facilitate better learning even of other languages. Have Urdu and English taught as subjects, and then, if we so desire, have the medium of instruction changed to another language at a point where children are more or less comfortable with it. Full stop. This seems simple enough. Full stop. Yet we have always messed up the language policy. Full stop. We still have provinces who do not give any weight to local languages in the early years and use Urdu or English as the medium of instruction. Full stop. We do not have clarity on when English would be introduced as a subject. Some want it introduced in class 6, and we are still unclear on when the medium of instruction shift from the local language or Urdu to English should happen, if at all. Full stop. New paragraph. One factor that complicates things radically is the issue of quality of education. Full stop. Irrespective of the language of instruction, we teach most of our students poorly. Full stop. The language skills of our students at the end of 10 years of education are generally very poor. Full stop. Most people complain that even after matriculation, children cannot write in English. Full stop. But this is almost as true of Urdu and other languages. Full stop. We just do not teach well. Full stop. This complicates things because historically we have kept shifting between languages used as the medium of instruction on the basis that students find Urdu or English too hard. Full stop. But if we teach a language poorly, clearly it will be hard to use that language as the medium of instruction later on. Full stop. This might not be just a reflection on what is better as the medium of instruction. Issues related to the quality of instruction must also be considered. Full stop. New paragraph. Given our current state, a better way for us is to rely on more solid research, instruction in the home language in the early years, introduction of other languages as languages and then a shift to other mediums of instruction is needed when children feel comfortable with the change full stop, but and this cannot be emphasized enough. We have to improve the quality of teaching of all languages full stop.